Morning friends, this video I'm specially making for all my farmer friends who are not able to understand Hindi or other languages. That's why I'm making this video in English language. So this is basically a trellis method for dragon fruit farming. So what are the benefits of trellis method? I would first like to let you know that basically there were two methods. One was the conventional ring method. In that we can plant only 2000 plants in 1 acre. But in this trellis method we can plant around 4000 plants. 4000 plants in 1 acre. So I will give you a brief detail about the infrastructure of this trellis method. What are the wires used and what are the angles that are being used and how it is helpful, and whole infrastructure I will explain you. We'll start from the beginning. First with the wires. There are altogether 12 wires used. On the top there are 6 wires that are 3.5 mm, and on the below, if I see, there are 2 wires of 3 layers each. These two wires are being used for the canopy management. You can see here. Okay, and these are the main 6 wires that will take the load of this dragon fruit. And the next question that my friends are asking is about how we will plant the dragon fruit. So on the left side we are going to plant 5 plants, and on the other side, that is the right side, we are going to plant another 5 plants. This is the way we are going to plant between these two poles. These two poles, the distance between these two poles is 10 feet, and in the row also the distance is 10 feet. Now the next question that arises for these angles and for the top angles and the bottom angles. So I will give you an introduction for that also. On the top, the angle that is being used, its length is around 18 inches, and this length, the thickness, what you say, thickness is around 8 mm, thickness is 8 mm, and this length is around 2 inches or 1.5 inches, and there is around 7 holes. The center hole is of 12 mm and the rest hole are of 8 mm in size. And for the bottom, at this farm they have used these angles, but if someone doesn't want to use the angles, they can use a flat bar of 14 inches with 3 holes. The center hole will again be of 12 mm and the rest 2 holes will be of 6 mm, and the thickness of this flat bar is around 4 mm. So I think the basic infrastructure I have given you, and on the top of that, the most important thing that I would like to show is the support that we have to give. The support for the first pole and the last pole is very important. Okay, see, I'm just going to show the support for the first and the last pole. We have given the support on 2 sides. Okay, on the top side we have used this GI pipe, but those who are not having the GI pipe, they can use GI wire rope on this, in this side, and on the other side we can use this cement pole. So this is required because as the plant will grow, there will be a lot of load, so there should be no bending of the cement poles. That's why we are giving the support on both the sides. And as far as the calculation of the number of how much fruiting will come for the first year, I will give you a simple calculation. As we are going to plant 4000 plants in this trellis method, that is not possible in any other conventional method. At least if I calculate only 1 kg for a single plant, then it is around 4000, then it is around 4 tons of dragon fruits in the very first year. But there is a condition when you are going to put this dragon fruit, the month, that is very important. For that we can discuss further. If there are any other questions regarding this infrastructure or these wires, and the life of the wires is around 10 years, you can call me or you can email me on the number given on the screen. Thank you, thank you, thank you.